In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a line and stacked bar chart in Power BI, step by step. So whether you're new to Power BI or looking to refine your data visualization skills, this guide will take you through the process in a clear and straightforward way. First of all, we need to start by opening Power BI. If you haven't installed it yet, take a moment to download it from the official Microsoft website and complete the installation. Power BI is an incredibly powerful tool for data analysis and visualization, and once you're familiar with it, you'll find it invaluable for presenting complex data clearly and effectively. Once you've got Power BI up and running, our next step is importing your data. The platform supports a wide range of data sources, including Excel files, databases, and cloud services, so you can bring in your data from wherever you have it stored. To do this, click on the Get Data option on the Home tab. This will open a menu where you can select the type of data source you're using. Select your source, connect it to Power BI, and then choose the dataset you want to import. After importing your data, it's time to move on to the visualization pane where we will select the type of chart we want to create. For this tutorial, we're focusing on the line and stacked bar chart. In the visualization pane, you will see various chart types. You can find the line and stacked bar chart options among them. Simply click on the icon that represents line or stacked bar chart, depending on what you want to create. Now, with our chart type selected, let's go ahead and customize it to showcase the data effectively. First, drag the appropriate data fields onto the values section for both the X and Y axis. This defines what data will be represented on your chart. You'll want to ensure you're selecting the right fields to get an accurate visual representation of your data trends and comparisons. From here, you can format your chart to make it more visually appealing. Power BI offers a variety of formatting options, including color themes, labels, and data points. Spend some time exploring these options to see how they can enhance your chart. And there you have it. With just a few straightforward steps, you've now created a line and stacked bar chart in Power BI. This chart is now ready to be used in presentations, reports, and more, helping you convey your data insights powerfully and clearly. Remember, the more you experiment with Power BI, the more proficient you'll become at crafting insightful, high-impact data visualizations. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide was helpful. Stay tuned for more tutorials on mastering Power BI and other data visualization tools.